Hi, I'm Captain Chris, showing you a typical 3-cylinder 8 kilowatt diesel generator found on a lot of boats. This is in our classroom in Vero Beach, and you can see it's on a 4-wheel dolly that we can roll it out into the middle of the classroom. My purpose for showing this video today is the preheat button, the start button, the stop button. Then we've got the water temperature gauge, the oil pressure gauge, the hour meter to register service intervals like an oil change, and also the voltage for the actual alternator. Speaking of the alternator, there is the alternator that recharges the 12 or 24 volt battery to start the generator. Other things to notice here, this is an electric fuel pump, not mechanical, but an electric fuel pump. Oil pressure sending indicator. This is the solenoid to stop the generator. When you actually turn it off, it will pull it, and see, it will turn it off. That's the fuel valve down there. You can see where you can add oil here, add oil into that. The dipstick on this model is kind of tricky to find, so we put that little white tape on it right there so we can pull the dipstick out. And up on the top, if you've got enough space, you can add oil in here. There's the radiator cap if you need to put antifreeze or coolant inside of the freshwater recirculating system. And then there is the alternator, the freshwater recirculating pump, and then the harmonic pulley or the crankshaft pulley on the front of the engine with the belt. Stay tuned, we'll pull it out and show you two important things that you haven't seen: the raw water pump and also the exhaust elbow. Just in case you're curious, the exhaust elbow is hard to find. It's generally in between the diesel engine and the electric armature. The raw water pump is the raw water exhaust elbow is right there. I'll pull it out and you'll get to see more of that in a moment. Stand by.